Hi, kids.
All right, so today we are making...
We're making a volcano.
Yay! So we have to...
Mom, say hi to them too.
Hi, kids. Okay, so first we have to start by making our volcano, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna use Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Go ahead and open that.
You just open the bottom of the box. You don't even have to use scissors. You just have to open the bottom. Just go like this with your nails. And then, see? Did it. Do you know what color is this, kids?
What color is it?
Dark blue?
Dark blue. Good job. What else you got?
Do you know?
Yellow? Kind of looks lime green.
It's green. And then do you know what it is?
Turquoise?
And then this?
Orange.
Okay. Let's put this box down for now. And then first we're going to start with this color.
Okay, you're gonna use blue?
Yeah, because it's a pretty color. Ugh. You can't open it. It's too strong.
Nice.
There.
So we're gonna use this cup as our base for our volcano. So you're gonna build around this. Can you help?
Bye. Got it.
Nice.
It's like an oval. Here. Where are we going to put it, kids? Around or the whole thing?
I think we're gonna do a round because we have to leave a little space so we could pour in our ingredients.
Hold on. It's kind of hard. It's not sticky.
I think you need to like cover around it. Let me see.
I can't. It might break.
Like, here, open up another color. What color you want to use next? This one. That one? Yeah, because it's the same color. So you're gonna go kind of like this. Work your way around the cup. Then we need some more color, but we're going to use turquoise. Can you use turquoise? Okay. I can't. Wow. It's not coming. It's not ordinary. It's not coming out. My mom's helping. She looks kind of pretty too. Oh, thank you. Just kind of. Okay. Oh, we'll see later. Okay. Let the yellow out. Where's my yellow? It's like a neon green yellow-ish. What do you guys think? Do you think it's green? Do you think so? And then a neon orange. A neon orange? Do you know what neon orange is, kid? This is neon what? Oh, that's turquoise. It's neon turquoise. That one's already open. Probably put some more in the middle. And more in the middle. Looks like a dress. Yeah, kinda. No? Like that. Looks like we're mixing. Yeah, okay. Kinda, right? What? I'm making a round. And then my dog's here. Oh, no. Do you want to say hi? I don't know. That's my dog. He's saying hi. My mom has a lot of details on her phone. Yeah. Yeah. Like that. You want to try to flatten it out a little bit more? We dropped the ball. Like that. Yes. Flatten it out. Flatten it out. There you go. I like it. Very nice. I like it, kids. Super colorful volcano. Yeah, there's orange. Orange. Like this, kids. Dark blue. Or royal blue. Royal blue? Mm-hmm. Not royal blue. That's what I did, kids. Okay, now I'm going to do that. I'm going to get that one out. All four colors. All four colors. So I'll put our last one right there. Okay. Now is neon green.
Yellowish, I guess.
Super awesome rainbow volcano here.
Yeah.
All right.
It's plus 2.
So,
Can I show them my headband?
yes.
Look, I have a headband. Safety headband and safety necklace for mommy and me.
You know what I forgot?
What?
A spoon.
She got for?
I forgot a spoon. Can you grab me a spoon?
Yeah. I will be right back. Okay. But it's green.
It's green.
But it's the same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. You want to show the huge thing of vinegar. And you need baking soda.
I can't open it.
And some red food coloring. Let's see. First,
This.
here, let me see.
I
I'll
can't.
open this one for you.
My mom's going to help me. Oh no! It's kind of a bit wobbly.
All right.
Now she's going to pour it. Feels like, that's enough.
Okay.
It's like half,
We'll put this down here. Yeah, it's about a cup.
but it smells weird.
Yeah, vinegar does not smell nice.
It smells weird, but it doesn't smell nice. I'm going to pour it.
Okay, do you want to
go
put
like this.
here? Let's see. You want to put like 2 or 3 drops?
I want 3.
Oh,
That's too much.
here, try stirring it.
Right here?
Yeah, stir it all together.
Oh my gosh, it's already red. Look, it's red. Agitate. We're agitating.
Careful.
I got on my sandal.
Okay, I'm gonna pour some baking soda into our volcano.
Maybe some a little bit more.
Okay,
It got some on our Play-Doh a little bit.
it's okay. All right, let's try with that much. Let's see how it
I'm
goes.
not done.
You're not done?
No. How you like it? It's red.
It's very nice.
It looks like apple juice.
That looks like fruit punch.
Fruit punch. It looks like fruit punch. You never drink fruit punch. It doesn't still smell nice.
And the smell's not gonna go away.
Disgusting.
Okay, do you want to try pouring your vinegar into your volcano?
It's just only small. Oh my.
Put more, put more. Oh my goodness. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Look. Like doll beans.
It's still fizzing.
Fizzing. Oh. What?
Want to do it again?
Yeah, but there's no more.
We can make more.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I wonder if we just put a little bit more baking soda in there, you think it'll come back up?
Mhm. Yep. Come, how about you put some in here too?
Ah!
Come, put some in here.
Here, how about I put one in one of these cups?
A little bit more. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it, kids.
There you go.
Wow, it's come back to the oven.
Yeah, it just keeps fizzing. I think we might need more vinegar too.
Why am I doing this?
The vinegar and the baking soda make a chemical reaction. That's why it fizzes up.
Let's
Do it together?
Mm-hmm. Ah, go all over the tray. What just happened? Put them in here.
It's gonna fizz in there. No, you're gonna make it explode in there. Put the vinegar in here first.
Ah! Put the vinegar. More. Maybe more. 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 More.
Oh no! Here, together. Ah!
Dad! It's coming all over our tray.
It's okay.
Maybe more. Dad!
Here.
Some more. Maybe I have to use the spoon.
Here. Ah!
Maybe I want to put food coloring.
Okay, you want to put the food coloring in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not use. Oh, it's still fizzing in there.
What?
Oh, it's rising. Okay. That's good.
That's good. My mom is so silly. Oh no, some on my finger.
It's okay. We can wash our hands after.
Yeah. It looks like I'm bleeding.
But
Yeah. Oh, it looks so dark.
super red.
Yeah, super red. You can like not see something.
Our volcano's gonna start pouring onto the table. Hold on, really quick, we're gonna pour out some of this vinegar and we'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
All right, kids, we're back.
Yeah, I just have my sunglasses on.
Super sunny outside today.
Mm-hmm. It's like about, let me see, 1 cup.
1 cup? Mm.
No, it's 50 cups.
No, it's, you're about 2/3 of a cup.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Let's have some more food coloring. Why? Mom, can we do more?
More, maybe.
But why we have that bottle? I want kids.
Okay, we're gonna clean up our mess.
Yeah.
We'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
All right, bye, kids.
Bye. Thank you for watching our volcano video. Please like, bye.